Alright, so welcome back everybody. Some more happenings in the track and field world. It seems Justin Gatlin has announced his retirement, or is hinting at his retirement on his 40th birthday. Alright? So in a poetic message that has me thinking is either Justin is taking a poetry or he's calling it a day on his track and field career. From the moment I knew running was a thing that felt so right, a thing that felt so free, a thing that truly felt like me. I have loved you. From running around the playgrounds, playing tag as a kid, to burning down sidelines of youth football fields, to racing the neighborhood kids on foot while they were on bikes. My life changed the moment I knew your name, track. With love comes challenges, and you gave me so many throughout my career. Some that were easier than others, and some that hurt more than life itself. But through all my ups and downs, victories and losses, I have loved you, track. You gave me tears of sadness and of joy, lessons learned that will never be forgotten. An unbroken bond was made for 27 years of my life. You've given me courage, you've given me wisdom, you've given me peace, and a way to inspire others to be the best version of themselves. I'm grateful for our relationship and the many others that I've had along the way. The torch is passed, but the love will never fade. On your mark, get set, gone. Love, J. Gat. Number 24. Looking forward to the future. I want to leave a legacy that continues to inspire others. Turning 1 year older and shifting my energies into new career endeavors. I hope to continue to inspire those who have supported me throughout my whole career. Alright, so there you go. A goodbye message from Justin Gatlin. Alright guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Remember, like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.